Welcome to Lace Fit Designs. Today we're going to be learning how to cover or clothe a bra cup with a fabric. So let's get right into the video. So first of all, I have this bra cup of size 40 and my number bust is a bust of 38. So 38 plus 2 is 40. That's the size I'm using for my bra cup. Now to get the covering, I folded my material into two first, then bent it over just this way as if I want to cut a peplon, and then I'll be marking 5.5 from this edge, just 5.5. After marking it, I will cut out. Whenever you're purchasing your bra cup, always purchase a bra cup that has, not your exact bra, not your exact bust, but at least with 2 inches, addition. I just marked 5.5. I'll just go ahead and cut out, and when I'm done cutting out, I'll have a circular form. It's going to be, like a 360 circle. So this is it. I'll just open it so you see, and I'll be cutting two, one for each bra cup. So this is it. So I'll just go ahead and fold it into two this way, and then I'll be marking 1.5. You can use 1.2. So I'll just use 1.5. I'll be marking 1.5 at each of the edges. So I'll just connect these two lines, but I'm not just going to connect it with a straight line. I'm just going to curve a bit, just this way, and then it comes out this way. And then I'll do the same thing for the other side. I'll be sewing on the machine. I'll run a thread through that line I just drew. I'll run on each of them. This way. So this is it. I just did that, and then I also did that for the other side as well, and this is it. Okay, I will cut out the excesses I have on each of them, just this way. I will cut this part, and then I'll also cut the other one as well. Okay, so this is it. So I'll be using this to cover my bra cup like this. It's either that you go vertically or you go horizontally. It's either that this line in front of you, if you want it to be vertical on your bra cup, you place it vertically. Now if you want it to be horizontal, you place it horizontally. So I just want mine to be horizontal, so I'll just place it this way, not this way. This is for the people that want their own vertically. If you want yours to be vertical, you can just get your midpoint and then place it vertically. But if you want it to be horizontal, see the way I'm placing mine. I'm placing it, and I also got where I want that cut to come out, how many inches, maybe 1.5, and then I placed it and I pinned it. I'm going to pin the middle part, just like this. The middle part of this bra cup is very important, so you can just pin yours and pin on the sides as well, after you have already placed your bra cup on top of the fabric, just the way you want it to look like when you're ready for the outcome. So this is how I want mine to look, and I just pinned the rest of the sides. So I will go ahead and press this bra cup down. I'm going to press it down. You see the way it is now? Let me just pin this side, and don't pin it too tightly so that you will not have any problem. So you see the way I just pinned it, I pressed the bra cup down. Anytime you're sewing the bra cup, make sure that you press it down just the way it's looking now, because if you leave it that same way that it is, you will not be able to get it. In fact, I will make an illustration in this video so that you can see how it looks when you don't press it and how it looks when you press it. Look at the way it came out now. It was just so easy. So, and I have brought it out now. This is how it looks. See how it is now. I'm just cutting out this part, leaving about 1/2 inch so that I can use it for my turning when I'm turning my bra cup with my lining. So I'll just go ahead and do this second one. This second one I'm going to be sewing on. You see the way I left it, just the same way it's supposed to be. I just left it without pressing that bra cup down. And I'm sewing round so you see how much nonsense it's or how bad it will come out. See the way it came out. It came out so bad, and you have a lot of excesses at one point. So whenever you want to sew your bra cup, make sure that you press it down so that you can easily fold and neatly fold your bra cup with your fabric. So I'm just going ahead to lose this one that I just made, because I'm done illustrating, and then I will go ahead to do the right thing by pressing it down before sewing. Okay, see the way I pressed it now? I pressed it down and I'm sewing round just the same way. And this is, I have 2 of them. I'll be trimming out the excesses at this point and leaving about 1/2 inch for my turning in that is for my lining. So this is it. My lining, I was supposed to cut it as well as when I was cutting the whole fabric, but since I didn't cut it at once, I just cut it now, and I made the same thing. So I'll just place it this way and I'll be sewing on it round. And don't forget to pin the middle. Pin it, always pin it so that it doesn't shift. Leave the unpinning for experts. Just pin it so that it doesn't shift, and so that you can get what you want exactly. I really hope this video has been helpful to you. If you are still here up till now and you have not subscribed to my channel, you are not doing well. Kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you for watching. Leave one part for turning out your bra cup. I forgot to mention this. So leave one part for turning out your bra cup, and your bra cup is ready. So thank you for staying tuned. Keep staying tuned for more videos.